Good morning, students. Welcome back in employability skill class. Today we shall discuss about 21st century workplace skill. Okay. Let's learn about 21st century workplace skill. According to India Skill Report 2022 by Warebox, only 48.7% of total youth in India is employable. यानी कुल जो यूथ है उसका 48.7% ही रोजगार पास का. दिस मीन्स एट मोस्ट 1 out 2 इंडियंस, दो में से एक भारतीय यूथ आर नॉट एम्प्लॉयबल. वो उसको रोजगार नहीं मिला हुआ. ठीक है ना. द स्टडी से आल्सो सेज दैट अबाउट 75% ऑफ ऑल द companies surveyed report that candidates do not have the skill that employers need. Additionally, the job market will keep changing continuously. The way it changed during COVID-19, the skill we have today will not be of much use in the future. To stay employed, we need to keep on learning now skills. How can young professionals stay competitive in this demanding and changing job market? These 21st century skills will help you get employed and create a successful career path even when the job market keeps changing continuously. Use good search to understand what these skills means if you do not understand them. 21st century foundation literacy, how students apply core skills to everyday tasks. Competency, how students approach complex challenges. और character qualities, how students approach their changing environment. Okay. फिर ये है how students apply core skills everyday tasks में क्या है. लिटरेसी आएगा, न्यूमरेसी आएगा, साइंटिफिक लिटरेसी, ITC लिटरेसी, फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी और कल्चरल एंड सिविक्स लिटरेसी. हाउ स्टूडेंट्स अप्रोच कॉम्प्लेक्स चैलेंजेस, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग जिसको बोलते हैं, और क्रिएटिविटी, कम्युनिकेशन, कोलैबोरेशन. हाउ स्टूडेंट्स अप्रोच देयर चेंजिंग एनवायरनमेंट, कोर्टेसिटी, इनिशिएटिव और परसिस्टेंस, ग्रिफ्ट बोलते हैं इसको, अडैप्टेबिलिटी, लीडरशिप, सोशल एंड कल्चरल अवेयरनेस. ओके. आगे आएगा आपका, आपने क्वेश्चन करना है घर से. What do you think the word 21st century skills means? दूसरा है which of the listed 21st century skills do you wish to learn? ये दो क्वेश्चन है. उसके बाद में है एक्टिविटी टाइम. 21st सेंचुरी में कम्युनिकेशन रेट देखिए आपके अंदर. व्हाट कैन डू टू इम्प्रूव योर स्कोर, ये बताना आपने. इंग्लिश लिटरेसी में 10 नंबर में से कितने नंबर ले सकते हो आप. फिर डिजिटल लिटरेसी, फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, क्रिएटिविटी, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप और करियर माइंडसेट. फिर उसके बाद में आपने क्या सीखा आज. The COVID-19 pandemic had a great impact on the job scenario in India and across the world. Some jobs became absolute out of the use while a lot of new jobs emerged. 21st century skills will help you get good employment and create a successful career plan. Okay, आगे है माई वैल्यूज एंड इथिक्स। एथिक्स क्या होता है? किसी की ठीक जो होता है उसके ऊपर संपत्ति व्यक्त करना। ठीक है, अगर अगला ठीक है तो उस पे संपत्ति व्यक्त करना। इन दिस लेसन यू विल लर्न what are the values and ethics, how ethics and values impact our behavior, identify my personal values. There are 6 basic values of our country, जैसे कि right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to information of religions, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. Let learn about ethics and values. Ethics मैंने क्या होता है? Ethics means to decide what is right and wrong. क्या ठीक है और क्या गलत है, इसका डिसाइड लेना for a human conduct. ठीक है, ethics is necessary to have a good society where everyone feels safe and respected. Ethics is usually the same for the whole of society. For example, जैसे कि someone has mistakenly left their mobile phone on the bus. You immediately run to them to return it. This shows that you have ethics of honesty. Hence, you did the right thing. Okay. Example 2. You see a man beating another person. You get angry and stop the man from beating. You scold the beater for being violent. Then the beater tells you that the other person is a robber. Now did you do the right thing or not? Sometimes it is not easy to know what is the right thing to do. In such situations, you can refer to the above 6 basic values of our country. Values क्या है? Values are the benefits that guide or motivate our attitude or actions. Value वो गाइड और मोटिवेट्स जो हमारे एटीट्यूड होते हैं या एक्शन होते हैं उनके लाभ होते हैं वैल्यूज। दे शो हाउ ए पर्सन थिंक्स, कैसे आदमी सोचता है, कैसे महसूस करता है, कैसे बिहेव करता है अपने घर पर, अपने काम पर और सोसाइटी में। It decides the character of a person. It is more personal than ethics. For example, your value is to be punctual. You are always on time, but there are times when you connect be on time. Then you feel bad for not living according to your values. Every individual has their own values that are taught to them by their family, culture, religions, etc. The values we have determine our behavior. If our value is to respect people in our actions, we will actually show respect to everyone irrespective of their gender, religion, caste, wealth, nationality, etc. Situation. A man and a woman are holding hands, walking down a street. A group of men started bullying them, saying, "This is against our culture and we will not tolerate such activities in our society." Discuss in a group what is the right thing to do. तो क्या ठीक है करने के लिए। Let's learn about how ethics and values impact our behavior. कैसे प्रभावित करता है, ठीक है ना। Our ethics and values form the pillars of our characters. These are the six main pillars of character. The pillars of character supports us just like pillars support our building and make it strong. This helps us more right decisions. यह ट्रस्टवर्दीनेस में कौन कौन से गुण होने चाहिए? वैल्यू होनी चाहिए, बी ऑनेस्ट होना चाहिए, वो बी रिलीजिबल होना चाहिए, बी लॉयल होना चाहिए। रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी में क्या क्या होना चाहिए? 5 होते हैं रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी में। बी अकाउंटेबल, ठीक है। कीप ट्राइंग, ऑलवेज डू यूर बेस्ट, थिंक बिफोर यू एक्ट, यूज सेल्फ कंट्रोल एंड सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन। caring, be kind and compensate, show empathy, help others in need. Citizenship, respect public property, protect the environment, vote and abide by the law, act for the welfare of your society, country and world. Fairness, be non-judgmental, make decisions based on facts, be open-minded, don't separate fake news. Respect, be kind and respect all those who are different from you despite their age, gender, sexuality, color, caste, religion, class. Don't hurt other people feeling. Okay. उसके बाद में है ये अगेंस्ट ईच एक्शन और बिहेवियर mention the category of the pillar of the character. Some actions can be written as under. Then one pillar, activity type A, action and behavior. फिर mention the category of pillar of character, action and behavior. Mention the category of pillar of character, action and behavior. Mention ये है, ठीक है। ये है डोंट फॉरवर्ड फेक न्यूज़ ऑन सोशल मीडिया, वेरीफाई फ्रॉम द राइट सोर्स। उसके बाद में अगला है बी कंसिडरेट टुवार्ड्स पीपल विद स्पेशल नीड्स, डोंट बी जजमेंटल, डोंट प्ले लाउड म्यूजिक और मेक नॉइस इन पब्लिक प्लेस और एट नाइट, स्पीक द ट्रूथ, डोंट थ्रेटन्स इट or hurt anyone, keep your neighborhood clean, exercise your voting rights, follow the traffic rules, volunteer with an NGO, respect the laws of the country, use the golden words please, thank you, sorry, excuse me, accept the other person's point of view, respect differences in language, culture, religions, etc. Forgive others. Help elderly people, senior citizens. Be determined to complete your job in the right time. Protect the environment. Don't blame others or find faults with others. Don't cheat anyone. Don't speak readily. Let's learn about ethics and values. Personal values are your beliefs that are very dear to you. Your personal values decide your day-to-day action and guide you through your life. Values define who are you. Personal values differ from person to person. You learn personal values from your culture, childhood, life experiences and other factors. Steps to choose your personal values. Think of things that are most important in your life. Remember the experience where you felt very happy. Imagine what you would like to hear about your self from others when you are turn 60. Think of things that you admire in others to discover your values. We have make personal values free from the list of values, जैसे कि achievement, ambition, caring, charity, collaboration, creativity, or honesty, dependability, empathy, encouragement, enthusiasm, ethics, excellence, fairness, family, friendship, flexibility, freedom. तो इधर है fun, generosity, growth, happiness, health, honesty, humor, individuality, innovation, intelligence, intuitions, joy, kindness, knowledge, leadership, learning, love, loyalty. इसमें है आपका मेकिंग ए डिफरेंस, मोटिवेशन, ऑप्टिज्म, ओपन माइंडेड, पैशन, परफेक्शन, पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट और पॉपुलरिटी, पावर, प्रोफेशनलिज्म, पंक्चुअलिटी, क्वालिटी और रिकॉग्नाइजेशन, रिलेशनशिप्स, रिलायबिलिटी. इसके अंदर है आपका रियलिनेस, रिस्क टेकिंग, सेफ्टी, सिक्योरिटी, सेल्फ कंट्रोल, सर्विस और स्पिरिचुअलिटी, स्टेबिलिटी, सक्सेस, थैंकफुलनेस और ट्रेडिशनलिज्म, अंडरस्टैंडिंग, वेल्थ, वेलबींग, विजडम. तो ये थे आपके क्या लिस्ट ऑफ वैल्यूज़. ये वैल्यू, ये आपका वैल्यू ट्री है. क्या सीखा आपने इस लेसन में? क्या सीखा आपने? एथिक इज टू डिसाइड व्हाट इज राइट और एंड रॉन्ग फॉर ए ह्यूमन कंडक्ट. वैल्यूज आर दी बेनिफिट्स दैट गाइड्स और मोटिवेट आवर attitudes or actions. They show how a person thinks, feels and behaves at time, at work and in society. It decides the character of a person. Our ethics and values form the pillar of our character. The 6 main pillars of character. The pillars of character support as just like pillars support our building and make it strong. This help us make right decisions. Personal values are your benefits that are very clear to you. Your personal values decide you day-to-day actions and guide your through your life. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Meet after the break.